go.
Ready, get, sit, go. Let's peek. Oh, see, I get already the 3 egg. See, it's become very green. It's become very green. Right? This looks like raining. Look. It's big. This looks like raining. I'll take this also. Agay! Oh, honey!
It's just not me. I got only one thing.
Honey, it's hurt.
Don't even
Mga
try to
loves,
do.
dito tayo sa taas. Parang uulan siya. Ayan. Yung ating cherry tomatoes. Kunti na lang ang bunga niya. Tanggalin natin ito kasi. Yan, tanggalin natin. May ano siya. May samad. May samad ba? Tapos dito tayo. Okay, this. Yung ating eggplant. Tingnan yung mga eggplant ko, mga loves. Honey, it's Candice.
What is it?
Eggplant. Okay, this mga loves. Ayan, meron pa doon sa baba.